I was told to ask about Mark's Tinder.
Oh, God.
So background. We were in Jacksonville, Florida a couple years ago, and Mark got a last-minute flight to go down with us. Mark is incredibly, perpetually cheap.
No, you don't say.
Did he pay for any of the gas on your run? Yeah. Oh,
I don't recall.
Amazing. Well, okay, he's cheap, but he's incredibly generous. He'll buy anybody a beer. He'll close out anybody's tab at the bar. But yes.
I still owe from Jacksonville this year.
Yes, you do. Yeah,
but
Mark, you owe me $200. Okay. Anyway, so the first time we went to Jacksonville, he got a flight down, but didn't find one back because he was going to try to find a car down there to buy and bring back. And we found lots of mediocre cars for him to buy.
Nothing I could really make. The Eddie Bauer F-150 was the only truck I could buy to drive back.
Bull crap. Oh, I thought you meant that would make it home. We found plenty of cars that would probably make it most of the way home. And they weren't even Saabs. So he was getting desperate at the end, so we came up with this idea that Mark should get on Tinder because he's always swiping whenever we're with him, and he should Tinder home, and he should, like, document it. But every girl he met, he'd have to say, like, well, can you pick me up here? And he should have to see how far away he could get a girl to pick him up.
Let's drive up the coast, baby.
All the way.
People would watch that on YouTube, I'm sure. I would tune in. I would tune in.
Mark, this is your ticket to become famous. Tinder home. Hashtag, we're ready with the hashtags and everything.
I think you would do really well at that, and you have a lot of followers.
Wow, they might follow him.
Yeah.
Well, let's get back to the story.
Anyway, okay, so I hear he was doing some things when he was supposed to be
sleeping
/spotting.
Yeah, I don't know. At some point, I don't know how we discovered this, but I don't know. I guess it's just because we're
on the way back. I kept getting matches.
Right. So I guess the beginning part, driving out, we forgot, to pay attention to Mark at all. But as we're heading back east, we hear, "Oh, I got another match. And we're like, "What the hell are you doing?" And he's like, "Oh, I'm on, Bumble. I'm on Tinder. I'm getting matches with all these women." And he's like trying to text them, and it's like, "You're not gonna be here much longer." It's like, what are you doing?
Yeah, not much longer at all.
He had been. So, yeah, we didn't pay that much attention when he was in the back seat on the way westbound. He had been swiping the whole way westbound. And then the whole way...
them on the way home.
Yes, and on the way eastbound, he was picking up the matches as the car moved because we went the same route in both directions.
Magical. Yeah,
it happens.
Oh, man.
Didn't one of the females actually message you and ask you what you're doing in the area, and you really sort of gave her half-ass answer because you're already past the 100-mile radius?
I can't remember.
All right.
I'm not here for a long time, but I'm here for a good time.
I don't know. Maybe stand on the side of the highway. I'll see you and wave hi. I don't know.
Listen, I'm stopping at truck stop 45 for 7 minutes.
Yeah.
I just
three of them are for you.
Mark, when is your birthday?
April 12th.
Okay, great.
I'm an Aries. I like long walks on the beach.
I'm going to pick a different thing, but my family and I have this tradition where we buy each other shirts from Goodwill for Christmas. And my parents, I think my parents bought me a shirt, which is funny because I've never been on Blunder or Bimble or whatever it is. But they got me a T-shirt from Goodwill that says, "I swipe while I wipe." And it has a picture to go along with it.
It's funny you said that because when you called me out for being in the bathroom earlier, I was watching duck videos and swiping on Tinder.
Remind me never to touch your phone.
Maybe you should make a shirt.
No, I'm going to bequeath.
I am immune. I'm immune to COVID, so
I don't know that trip out.
It's not COVID I'm worried about with that. Yeah, I'm going to bequeath that shirt upon you because I haven't worn it in a long, long time.
You don't need to wear it.
What good is a shirt like that if you don't wear it? You can wear it to a fancy party. Mark, that shirt is yours.
All the fancy parties you go to.
Yeah. Anyway, Mark swipes while he wipes. And maybe write spray paint on the bottom of it, while I wipe and Cannonball.
It's I got 5,000 miles. I better cover ground.
How many matches did you get?
Okay, in New York City, I probably got over 100.
I don't know.
Just the couple nights we were staying.
I don't care. On the actual run, I feel
probably
like there's
got
a record
about
here.
400 some odd matches all across.
So, Matt, you got 400 booms.
Yes.
That's amazing. Were any of them at truck stops?
Most of them were in Chicago, honestly, and a few in Iowa because they're
You should have seen if anyone meet you at truck stops and helped fill up your gas tank.
Oh.
More refuelers.
You're not thinking about this right at all.
Improvise.
You're not thinking about this.
Listen up, Linda. You got to meet me at this truck stop. Have your card ready.
No questions.
No questions asked.
Just show up.
All right.
I need 7 minutes and 3 of them are yours.
We only took 4.5 minutes to fuel our tanks. What are you doing wrong?
We had extra time, right? We took advantage of our stops.
All right. Let's go to some questions here. People want to know about the actual run.